Let's quickly remove the labels we originally used, and we are going to create two containers. We will show a correct answer screen on one and on the other the incorrect answer template. Having two distinct containers will help choosing the correct screen whenever we get the information data. To add the container, we have two routes. We can go to the bottom right and just right click on another container, select add, or you can also do it from the container widget list on the left. So on the first container, we're going to name it correct container, and the second one incorrect container. We add an icon, a label, we're going to name both elements. The icon will be correct.svg, color schema for success. Choose an extra large font size, center them, the label correct exclamation mark. We're gonna do it in bold. And in the second container, again, we're going to use an icon, a label, but we are also going to add an HTML renderer where we will display the correct answer. We are going to name both elements and center them. For the icon, we are going to write incorrect.svg, font size extra large, and the color schema will be error. In the label, we write incorrect exclamation mark in bold, size extra large, and the color schema for error. In the HTML renderer, inside the template, we get the following code. That will end up receiving as a parameter correct answer, just like we did on the previous screens. And finally, we name the HTML as HTML render correct answer. As we saw on the previous video, for the CmpRound component, this one is going to receive a model with two values. So first, let's create those variables on the model screen section. One is a flag to see if the answer was correct. It's going to be of type Boolean, and we mark it as required. The second one stores the correct answer of type string, and it won't be required since it's only going to be necessary when the answer was incorrect. Now for the main init event function of this component, we are going to read the two variables from the model. Now we're going to hide both containers, and according to the correct answer flag, we will show only one of them, sending the HTML renderer the value of the correct answer for that use case when we meet that condition. Remember that the correct answer needs to be passed to the HTML renderer, since it's the one we used with double curly brackets on the HTML template. Now for some quick tests on these components. We want to see both cases. We want to get the quiz right and wrong. We're going to run the application. Now let's get to the quiz. And in here we are going to select the correct answer. In this case, it's Richard Branson. And we should see the icon and the green text, and the screen should stay for 1 second as we previously tested. It seems we got it. Now let's get an incorrect question to see if the icon and the red text next to the correct answer with a screen time of 2 seconds. And yes, we also got it. That should be enough for this CmpRoundResult component.